The 2025 Range Rover maintains its iconic silhouette, characterized by clean lines and a commanding presence. Available in both standard and long wheelbase configurations, it offers versatility to suit various preferences. The front fascia features a distinctive grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, while the rear boasts a minimalist design with integrated taillights. Optional features include a panoramic sunroof, power-assisted doors, and up to 22-inch alloy wheels, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Inside, the Range Rover offers a sanctuary of luxury. Premium materials such as semi-aniline leather, wood veneers, and metal accents adorn the cabin. The seating configuration accommodates up to 7 passengers, with options for executive rear seating in higher trims. Features like heated and ventilated seats, a refrigerated center console, and ambient lighting contribute to a comfortable and opulent environment. The 2025 Range Rover offers a range of powertrains to suit diverse driving needs. P400, a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine producing 395 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.3 seconds. P530, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine generating 523 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. P550e, a plug-in hybrid combining a 3.0-liter engine with an electric motor, offering 542 horsepower and an electric-only range of up to 75 miles. P615, SV trim, a high-performance 4.4-liter V8 hybrid engine delivering 606 horsepower, propelling the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. All engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and feature all-wheel drive, ensuring optimal performance across various terrains. The Range Rover is equipped with advanced technology to enhance the driving experience. Infotainment, a 13.1-inch curved touchscreen with the latest Pivi Pro interface, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. MotorTrend Plus 2 KarenDriver.com, Plus 2 MelonPost.com, Plus 2 Digital Instrument Cluster, a 13.7-inch display providing customizable driving information. MotorTrend Plus 1 KarenDriver.com, Plus 1 Audio Systems. Options include a standard 14-speaker Meridian system or an upgraded 35-speaker. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Range Rover. With a suite of driver assistance features, adaptive cruise control maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead. Lane Keep Assist helps keep the vehicle centered in its lane. Blind Spot Monitoring alerts the driver to vehicles in adjacent lanes. 360-degree camera system provides a comprehensive view around the vehicle for easier maneuvering. Automatic emergency braking detects potential collisions and applies brakes if necessary. SE, starting at approximately $107,900, it includes standard luxury features and the P400 engine. Autobiography, priced around $151,600, it adds enhancements like 22-inch wheels, premium leather upholstery, and advanced audio systems. SV, the top-tier trim at about $209,000, featuring the powerful P615 engine, exclusive interior materials, and bespoke customization options.